Hi learners! First day of distance learning. I sure missed you guys and I'm bummed that I didn't really get to say goodbye to you because it was such a quick change and a switch to distance learning. So feel free to reach out to me. You can sign up on my office hours if you would like to Zoom with me in the afternoons. We will Zoom every day for class, so you can use the Zoom link that's posted here in Zoom information. You can always check the daily Zoom schedule if you forgot what times you're supposed to go to each class. I want to show you a little bit about what we're doing for the rest of the week. So there's a deeper learning opportunity. If you're done quickly with things and you want to show me some deeper learning, you can click on that. We've already looked at this week's to-do list, but you can always go back to it and check it out. The daily interactive journal we will do every day. And we've done Monday, so today is Wednesday. We will do a couple things. I'm actually going to open up this to-do list. So Wednesday, one second here. So I crossed off Tuesday because, sorry. So you can see I crossed off Tuesday. I literally put lines through all of it because you didn't have school yesterday, right? So you don't have to worry about Tuesday. We are going to catch up on the journals today. So today you have two journals to do, number 3.5 and number 4. You are going to complete this quiz. It's also in Google Classroom. So if you're looking at the Google Classroom assignments, that's this quiz right here. You can click that link, or you can simply click this link on the to-do list. After you're done with the quiz, you're going to take a screenshot of your results and attach it to the assignment in Google Classroom. So you'll take your screenshot and attach it here and then hit the turn in button. That way I have evidence that you participated in the quiz and I can give you credit for your work. Then you're going to go back to Google Classroom and answer the question that's posted there. So right here, based on my stress factors quiz, I'm going to view the question. It'll look different for you on your iPad, but the question says, based on my stress factors quiz, what is one thing I can do when I'm stressed? So you're going to take this stress factors quiz and it's going to show you at the end your results, and it's going to tell you things that you could do specifically for you that might help you when you're stressed out. So you're going to pick just one thing off of there and type it in on this question in Google Classroom. All right, then we're going to go back to this to-do list and check out Thursday. You have the interactive journal number 4.5, and you're going to start the internal selfie project, which is located in Google Classroom. Internal selfie project, right here. It's for Thursday and Friday. Okay, you do not have to make a copy of it. I know it says that right here. I'm actually going to take that off because that's not accurate. Okay, internal selfie should be kind of fun, and you get creative with this one. The instructions say, we all take selfies. You know you've done it. Usually we take selfies of our faces, capturing our external characteristics. For this project, you will create an internal selfie capturing your internal characteristics. Think about it. What would your internal selfie look like? What colors, feelings, thoughts, passions, likes, dislikes, fears, gratitudes, loves, curiosities, longings, talents, strengths, attitudes, and ideas would be a part of your internal selfie? What is on your mind and what or who is in your heart? That's what you're going to draw on your internal selfie. How are we going to do this? You can either create your internal selfie digitally, so draw it on your iPad, like I know a lot of students use Sketchbook, or you could draw it on paper. However you choose to do it, you will need to take a picture/screenshot of your final product and attach it to the Google Classroom assignment before you hit the turn in button. So after you create your work of art, you take a picture or a screenshot and you attach it to your assignment before you hit the turn in button. You get to work on the internal selfie project both Thursday and Friday. Friday will be a big day. You need to make sure all your journals are done through number 4.5. You need to finish your internal selfie project and then catch up on all work that was assigned this week. Make sure it is turned in on Google Classroom. You can always connect with me if you need help. My office hours are from 1 to 3 p.m. and I will have an office hours sign-up sheet in Google Classroom that you will see. Okay, please reach out if you have questions, and I am here to help, and I will see you on Zoom. Bye, learners.